on what's ahead in the Storm Team Weather Center.
Yeah, we've got Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum. What all can we expect as we get closer to Friday?
Well, tomorrow is going to be a very cold start to the day, and we'll see some sunshine before clouds move back in, but it's going to get ready to go downhill by the time you go to bed on Thursday night and really messy by the time you wake up on Friday. Right now, it's pretty cold, 28 degrees, that wind chill 23 here in Birmingham now, and you'll notice the temperatures will tumble all the way down to the upper teens tonight for much of central Alabama. The wind chill could get as cold as 13 at times as well, so be prepared for a very cold start to your day tomorrow, but we'll see a lot of sunshine through the morning and temperatures back up to around freezing at 10 a.m. Our storm system is being driven by this big upper level low sitting here down over toward parts of Baja California. That's what's causing those strong winds and fueling those fires in Los Angeles. But out along the Texas coastline, that is where our next system is going to be developing. You have a trough of low pressure there now. A low itself will form there, and that's what's going to head its way toward Louisiana and start bringing moisture our way just in time as these temperatures get below freezing. This is going to be here on Friday morning. So likely we will start off the morning with kind of a wintry mix to some sleet and maybe a little bit of some snow. And then we'll see the warmer air start building back in as we get throughout the afternoon Friday, changing it all to rain here in Birmingham, but likely staying snow in North Alabama before it all pushes out and we dry things out on Saturday morning. But we'll still have those freezing temperatures to contend with. So here's what we're looking at. A weather alert. We're talking freezing rain, some light accumulations, maybe up to 1/10 of an inch, which can cause problems there. Snow and sleet accumulations about 1 to as much as 5 inches across central and north Alabama. Combine all that with the cold temperatures, and we are going to be dealing with icy conditions and travel issues out there. Winter storm watch in effect here from much of central Alabama here, basically along and north of I-20 for most of the areas. Tuscaloosa County not included in that, nor is Pickens. Now, this will become a winter storm warning for tomorrow as we'll be 24 hours out or so from the system moving through. So here's the snow breakdown. On my forecast, I'm dealing with 2 to 5 inches here in North Alabama. You're going to see a longer period of snow and also colder temperatures. We'll have a band here from about Hamilton to Fayette to Birmingham, Coleman, Gadsden, Anniston, maybe an inch or two of snow and also some sleet. I think we may actually see a little more sleet than actual snowflakes coming down across the area, but still can do a little accumulation. South of there, about maybe 1/2 inch to 1 inch there from Reform back to Tuscaloosa through Sylacauga, and a dusting the farther south you go. Still kind of a mix there of sleet, snow, and maybe some ice all coming together. Travel impacts are going to be widespread across the state, especially north of Birmingham area, all the way through the Huntsville region. So here's how the latest model shows here. This is 11 p.m. Thursday, so roughly 24 hours from now. Looks like we have rain. May not all make it to the ground. What it's going to do is evaporate as it moves down, but it's going to pull down cold air from the north. And we have to look at the whole temperature profile from the surface all the way up to get an idea of when we're going to start seeing some of the winter precipitation. So may start off with a little bit of some rain, kind of mixing here to some sleet conditions and freezing rain around 5 o'clock in the morning. More of that sleet expected as we get to 7 a.m. with some more snow the farther north you go. So we may see actually a little more sleet conditions here through the morning hours as we go throughout your Friday. As we get to late morning and lunchtime, we'll see that warmer air coming in. We are talking about it changing over to some rain, but notice temperatures aren't far from freezing, so it all depends where that freeze line is. A degree or two difference can mean a lot more snow coverage for our area. We'll continue seeing those showers through 3 o'clock in the afternoon. All wraps up by 7 o'clock, but then the problem overnight will be temperatures tumble. The roads are wet, and we're going to be dealing with a lot of black ice as we go into Saturday. We could see some lingering flurries in the morning. Temperatures will stay into the 30s. In the 40s next week, no warm-up in sight as temperatures stay in the 20s.